All right, I didn't even do my analysis yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do everything on my big screen, find my levels, and then I'll mark it down on my laptop, which is what I'm streaming on. Hey, feel the forward gap. Looks like we're in an uptrend. Yeah, looks like we're gonna be going up. Where's the low? Ouch. Yeah, I think we're gonna slightly retrace to the equilibrium of the. It looks like we're expecting bullish structure on the weekly, daily, and we reacted perfectly off of a daily fair value gap. I think we're gonna go to all-time highs pretty soon, within the next month or two. So let me see. Not financially. So many lows that we can target right here. I definitely would like shorting to those lows. Okay. All right. My bias is long, but I can also see it's going short. See these relatively equal lows. Break that one out too. It looks way cleaner on Nasdaq. But lots of short draws, like this whole liquidity pool right here. I definitely am gonna be targeting that if I take a short. Or we might just sweep it and then I'll take a long. That's what I do. That's ideal for me. And there's a 1 hour gap right here. I will not mark it out. I will just mark up the high of it. And it's right and just so I don't forget it. That's important to me because we have these relatively equal highs right below it, which could like it could just cause price to shoot through these highs and continue up through this gap. And then if you on the 4 hour, there is a gap all the way there. I doubt we're gonna go that high. I think today's just gonna be a calm day. So again, use. I like Wednesdays like these. I feel pretty good. It's 15 minutes till open. I'll look for London as well. We have today's high is London high. It's relatively equal to this high. Unless we come all the way down here and sweep this low, I'd be willing to take a long. That's it.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
A lot of short draws and liquidity. It would be insane if we went all the way down to yesterday's low. But the thing is, if we're gonna continue this downtrend, on the 30-minute, if we're gonna continue this downtrend right here, which has the peak is relatively equal highs, which is like, I mean, look at this. Look at all these really nice, like high time frame area. We have these ones that, if you see, that's the line, and then all the highs are like right below it too. So yeah, I definitely in the higher time frame play, I definitely want us to go up and sweep those. I mean, it's Nasdaq. Eventually we will, despite anything. Like it's gonna go up. It's Nasdaq. But yeah.
Your call has been forwarded to voice.
So yeah, on a 30-minute higher time frame, it's larger downtrend. Right now we're in a shorter uptrend. I wonder if it goes into that 1 hour gap, if we're gonna respect it or if we're gonna disrespect it. I say if we go in that gap and disrespect it, the way we're at off of this gap, I think will determine whether or not we're gonna keep going down or not. Like if we go up here, I doubt we're gonna go down here before reaching these highs. And I would put money on that. Would put money on that. If I was able to swing trade on top stuff, I would. Because I would full port this account that if we were to disrespect this 1 hour gap and we retraced, I would risk the full $2,000 drawdown to this. No, I wouldn't. Never mind. That would take forever. I wouldn't even be able to trade. Because that could take weeks for it to go back up there. Yeah, that was stupid. I don't know why I said that. I didn't think before I said it. Maybe on a live account. ES is also in an uptrend. Not half as close to this high. Yeah, not even close to that. Compared to Nasdaq. ES actually has a lot of draws on liquidity to the upside, though. We have like a whole even better area to target on ES. Oh, we also have better short draws, which is why I'm being patient. And I'm more open-minded going into this market open. My back hurts. I told myself I was gonna read the Bible before I traded. Not for like an increase of like not to thinking like, oh, if I read I'm gonna win. I think I'm gonna win either way today. I go in every day thinking I'm gonna win. I believe I'm capable. I'm gonna win, but I just want to read the Bible because when I was getting out of bed, I said I was gonna, and I forgot. And then I do it at night. I want to try doing it in the morning too sometimes. I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm gonna read something real quick. All right. What are you looking for? I said long. Long? Yeah. Me too. I wouldn't say my daily bias is long because I don't think it's gonna go up all day, but I think we're gonna sweep highs. Like I'm more confident at sweeping highs. Would you enter off of a break to the downside right now, or do you think we were in a downtrend? Based on the one where they were in a downtrend. So you win it. Yeah. But what about a 5 minute break? I never look at those. Imagine the API disconnects again. I don't know how we didn't sweep that low. Yeah, swept it, but Nasdaq didn't. Bro, we still haven't swept it. Yeah, we still haven't. That's crazy. On M&Q, no, we didn't either on M&Q. That's insane, bro. There's like no volatility. Are you in any trades? Me either.
Yeah, but every day I wake up, I struggle finding the courage to go to the gym, bro.
For real,
Yeah.
it's like
It's like the
that.
first thing on my mind, bro. Even like when I'm still sleepy, like I'm like as soon as I wake up, like fuck, I wanna go gym.
But you going is like a good thing because it's building that discipline of doing what you don't want to do. Bro, one thing I noticed that helped me is like when, because you know how I'm on my diet. When I like stick to my diet, like sticking to it helps me when I trade. Because it's like if I could be patient and just wait till the day I'm supposed to eat something unhealthy, I could be patient and wait for the perfect setup. Bro, I'm so glad we did not close below that low.
Oh,
Because that would have been my new model, but I wouldn't have entered. But if it won, then I wouldn't be trading for today. Because it technically is a winning trade that I just missed. But like I wouldn't enter that because we're at a like this whole liquidity area right now. I'm allowed to long if we break to the upside, which I do think will happen, despite the perfectly equal lows. Nasdaq is higher than ES. Actually, ES is higher than Nasdaq now. Well, they're actually about the same. It's crazy. All right. Put my phone on DMD so I can focus.
Did we already pass London, so
Huh?
we already passed London, so
I think so. Yeah, we passed it. Would you enter on the break to the downside? Or did you enter? Yeah?
no.
Uh, oh yeah, because you said it's in a downtrend already.
Yeah.
I'm assuming I might enter a trade pretty soon, depending on what happens from here. Time to go on the 1 minute. I want this candle to close upward if I'm gonna get an entry. Oh shit, it barely closed down, bro.
You could close up on my screen.
Yeah, because you're looking at M and Q.
Oh,
I trade off of NQ. This candle could close up. Or we could just break to the upside. That would be fire. I'm just saying. Beautiful long. Hey, we got that up close. Let's see what happens. Might enter a short. Yeah, I might enter this if he closes below. I guess not. Oh, eight. Nasdaq? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna close down then? No, we didn't. If only we did, bro. I would have been in that on ES the new model form, but I don't trade ES. We hit the lowest 5 minute gap. My new model is about to form, I think. It literally closed on the candle, bro.
Hmm.
It closed on the wick. It actually no, it closed a little bit above. Failed to form again. We have a high to break to the upside off of low now. I wonder if that's gonna happen. Hmm. I think the next candle my new model could actually form. Like I actually think I'm gonna enter here. Unless we break to the upside, that would be insane.
And now I'm done trading.
You're done trading?
Yeah.
Did you enter one?
No,
Really? That's
it's
it. You're
too,
already done?
yeah, it's too low.
For me, since we didn't sweep out today's low, I'm chilling for a long.
We didn't sweep out today's low.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
No, I wouldn't enter a new model formation here though. Yeah, anyways. If we break to the upside, that's a long. I think we're gonna sweep that low. Yes, okay. So we're almost at the low where if we sweep it, I wouldn't be allowed to take a long. I think we're gonna sweep it right now. Yeah, we swept it. So now I'm only allowed to enter my new model. Uh, yeah, unless we just start shooting up, then I could enter it for a long as well. But I'm gonna remove all my drawings right now on my big screen. I have to look at the 5 minute because there are still lows that wouldn't allow me to enter, such as this one and this one and this one, which is I'm actually so surprised that we've gone this far down. Yeah, that's insane. No way, the API disconnected. Wait, try loading onto Topstep? Not again, bro.
Yeah, it doesn't reload.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
That means you full port, that way you're going to like
No. It's gonna reconnect, but there's no way. This is the second day in a row, bro. It looks like we're shifting the momentum. Can you check again? It's working?
no.
Oh my gosh. Alright, Loki think we're gonna start calling that. We'll have 20 more minutes to look at this chart. I just want three consecutive up close candles. If I'm gonna take a long trade. The only way I'd short off a break is structures if we sweep that high. That's so fast.
Bro, the people in this game are so soft-hearted. Not
Uh,
really. I don't know, like one bad thing happens and then they just rage quit.
yeah, they stop doing that when you get to like champ.
Yeah, so basically the very top or what?
Yeah, because now they're actually trying.
Because what's after champ supersonic, bro?
Champ, grand champ, and supersonic.
So basically once you get out of diamond.
Yeah, but Diamond 3 too, they'll stop. So I remember when I was in Diamond 3, they stopped before I got into champ.
Then they be doing dumb stuff and then they'll blame it on you, bro.
Yeah,
Because me and my teammate were doing the kickoff. We get the kickoff off, and the other dude, my teammate, he just like goes to the opposite side goal. So then they have an open goal and they hit it, and I can't get there in time because I did the kickoff. And then he gets mad at me, telling me what a save. I'm like, bro, where's our defender at? And then he's like, bro, it's called rotating. I was like, bitch, it was kickoff. How are we gonna rotate off a kickoff? Bro, that was dumb.
yeah.
No, I thought I had enough. I'm not going for that. Oh, I guess he did too.
ES is an SMT here. On ES, and it's like this.
Commercial is better if I just become like a designated golden one. If that would be good.
Hold up, bro. I'm like locked in right now. That's enough momentum to give me a long off of swing low. I want us to sweep that too then. I would like us to sweep it with this candle. No matter what, it's not strong enough to prevent a short. That's what I wanted. I didn't want it to close down here because I wanted to sweep this high. It's momentum. We close above that, and above this. It was on a downtrend, but then I will find uptrend structure. I want us to close down and close above that line. And I can see it going up. Because essentially my bias was long, plus we just swept out a lot of blows that way. Let's see. Yeah, swept. Yeah, swept this. Nasdaq didn't. Oh, shit. I would love if we close above that. Respecting this guy. We understand him. Either way, this might be it. Yeah. This might be green as fuck. I'm loving this momentum. I'm actually loving this. Again? As soon as, okay, reconnected. All right. Fuck, bro. The API disconnected and then reconnected in like a second, bro. As soon as I was about to enter, my model's literally like free right now. And risk to get respecting that for value. Invalidated along. Oh my gosh. This is actually perfect. Unless we close up, then it's not perfect. Might actually just go good. I'm most likely not trading today. Unless we could sweep this high, this high. We need to sweep it, close down, and close above within 3 minutes. Yeah, but I'm probably not trading today. We're consolidating now. Yeah, nah. Looks like I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna hop off. Alright, that was a. I got edged. Like I almost got like so many entries to short too. Unfortunate. Yeah, I'm close.